So I was just laying here and I was listening to music and just out of nowhere I heard two claps. Just two ordinary claps. I mean, it came from out of nowhere. And uh, it just, I mean, just like that. I'm trying to be quiet so y'all can hear. It's crazy. And y'all can't hear nothing now, cause y'all hear that? That's just one noise I heard. Normally it'll be like a stomp or a bump or something like that. But nothing. Just dead silence in here. I'm sorry guys, but guess y'all won't get none tonight. Y'all heard that? Wow. That just freaked me out. I'm sorry. But that just freaked me out. the way. You see that thing right there? No, not the stereo. That. Don't bother my drink. Let me move my drink real quick. You see that thing right there? You see how it's standing up now? But normally, some nights, it be standing up. Then I turn my back 5 minutes. Or I turn my back 2 seconds. It'll be like laying down or something to be thrown over there, or it'll be inside that box or something like that. I mean, it'll just sorry for getting thirsty. It'll just be flipped over or just knocked down, or you can hear it just bang up against the wall, thrown across the room. And sometimes I would see it actually thrown across the room, or just sliding across the room. Or it'll be just floating in the air, or just hanging up on the wall. It's just crazy stuff. Some of these objects in here will be either placed somewhere else where I know I had it at. Like my thing, my cooler that I set my stereo on, it'll be moved. My chair will be over there. Just crazy. I can't catch some of the objects doing stuff because wait. No. I think Sophia and Molly are back. But what do they want with me? I thought I got rid of them. Wait, I'm gonna try something. I usually can talk to them, but I don't think I usually can talk to Sophia and Molly. Let me see if I can. Y'all listen, cause they might talk back, they might not. Let's see if I get something. Sophia, are you here? Molly? I'm not Molly. Sophia? No. Go ahead, that's straight, right? Who do you know Sophia and Molly? They're my sisters. Okay, Hannah. Where are you now? Hannah? You're dead. Wait, what does that mean? Like, I know what it means, but I, uh, it made I mean, it made my skin crawl. I mean, why y'all want me dead? Okay, the hair is back against my neck just freaked me out. Yeah, is that right? How many? So they must have a third sister or something because I haven't heard. I haven't heard nothing. Oh no, Hannah. What does he mean by I'm dead? Go back. Sophia? Yes, go back, please. Go back! Well, eventually, Sophia wants me to go back somewhere. What's he mean by go back?